Hey there, origami enthusiasts! Today's adventure is all about crafting a necktie using just $1 bills. Get ready to unfold some magic as we embark on this creative journey together. I'm excited, and I hope you are too. First things first, grab your dollar bill and divide it into 3 equal parts. This will set the stage for the intricate folds that follow. Take your time to ensure precision. The foundation is key. Now, let's bring our star to life. Fold the lower edge up to the 1/3 line, creating the initial structure that will define our origami masterpiece. This step sets the tone for symmetry. Next up, fold the upper edge down. These careful folds contribute to the intricate pattern we're weaving. Keep an eye on the details, and let's move forward. Time to flip the bill over, preparing for the upcoming folds. This flip sets the stage for the symmetrical beauty we're about to create. With precision and patience, cross-fold one corner. And then the other on the flip side. These folds are the building blocks of our star's complexity. Let's add dimension. Square fold along the existing creases, enhancing the visual appeal of our origami creation. Each fold brings us closer to the final masterpiece. Ensure symmetry by folding the lower tip equally. This step is crucial for the overall balance of our star. Take your time and let the magic unfold. Carefully insert these tips together. This step not only adds structural integrity, but also contributes to the intricate beauty of our origami star. Patience is key. Flip the assembly over once more. We're nearing the final fold. Stay focused. Play with the lower edge, guiding it up and down along existing creases. This dynamic movement adds complexity and visual interest to our star. It's all coming together beautifully. Artfully fold the tip back, refining the intricate details. And your patience is paying off. This step refines the edges and brings us even closer to the final result. The details matter. Add that touch of perfection, make trims as needed to complete our tile with finesse. Precision at this stage ensures a polished finish. Here we are at the final steps. Navigate the last folds of the lower edge. Your creation is almost complete. I hope you enjoyed this intricate journey. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more captivating origami tutorials and share your creations in the comments below. Until next time, happy folding and may your creations shine bright.